Fans of Unnatural, Gwen Stefani gulps at the creepy detail as the star poses in a crop top and Fishnets backstage at The Voice. The 54-year-old judge on The Voice has a history of receiving criticism for looking incredibly young. Gwen showcased a Christmas ensemble on Instagram. She wore a bright red pair of pants, a fishnet over her exposed waist, and a sequined black crop top as she posed in front of a white whale covered in string lights. Her long blonde hair was pulled back into a high ponytail, and she flaunted her GXV products with a full makeup look. Gwen gave credit for the styling and makeup, but her caption contained just two sparkle emojis. The comment section received the following from a critic: unnatural and creepy that you look like that at your age. Some fans, on the other hand, were raving about the pop star's appearance and exclaimed, "I want to be you." One more person exclaimed, "Oh my god, I love this outfit." Another third commented, "Though you always look great." Gwen showed off another daring ensemble backstage on The Voice back in November. She was wearing fishnet stockings, a boldly printed mini dress, and extremely high heels. Gwen grinned and strutted toward the camera, sporting a full face of glam makeup in her post. One fan said looked like an old bedspread. Another person said, "Looks good, but I don't get the ugly shoes between tablecloth, shower curtains, living room curtains, and it looked like Maradona's face as a print." A third reviewer was injured.